there. He's one second there.
Alright guys, we all know crotch rockets are fast, but I mean, can they outrun a police car? Police cars can go 150 miles an hour now. They also can handle a lot better, it seems like. Maybe not in the curves, but probably around the corners in a residential area. Unless you're a pro rider. With these cars nowadays that have 500 horsepower or more in the police car, I give most of my money, I put the bet on the police car. So today we have some crazy videos that highlight basically people that know how to ride a crotch rocket versus police. Just passing him now. That was the guy. He just passed a guy on a motorcycle on the side of the road. I'm not sure if he saw that he didn't have a plate or he ran his plate. I believe this is Arkansas. We're in a residential area. 80 miles an hour with the police car in a residential area.
We're passing Marshall from Roseville.
Arkansas.
Turn in right on Churchill. Right on Churchill. Left on Division. That's the second.
I mean, in residential, this guy seems like he can ride pretty decent. You'd think he'd be pulling on him a little bit more. Cop keeps catching right up to him. Just getting pushed to go faster and faster. Oh, you'd think that'd have done some damage to the bike.
Correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through.
Holy cow.
Just passed
Gone now. But then he slows down and the cop catches right up.
Alright, coming up to 6.
So much more protection in a cop car. Oh man. Oh, I hit him now again. It's funny the police cut them off and say that the person hit them. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm just saying it.
Slowing down.
To give them charges based on that, it's like, you don't really have any options there. Holy cow, he's up on the grass, boulevard, sidewalk. That'd be the best bet, is if he...
Crossing North 6.
I guess he can't go very fast on a sidewalk. Too rough like that. Holy cow. Yeah, he can't get any speed on the sidewalk. Holy cow. He turned around. Did he U-turn? He must have some motocross experience. He's good when he gets down in those tight spots. Down low. Going slow.
Alvin Bradley Senior Lane, or North 8th.
So aggressive. Holy cow.
Back to North End North. Clear, clear, clear. Alright, there's no traffic. We're about 50
right through a stop sign.
Back on Midland. We're gonna ride. We're gonna be heading towards the downtown area if we stay right.
Wonder if he did a loop. It seemed like they were just at that intersection a minute ago when he bumped him. Oh man. He's gonna get hit again. Oh. There he goes. I'm surprised he doesn't have a warped back rim. Or a loose chain from getting that rear tire pushed forward a little bit.
Speed's 90.
Oh,
No traffic.
coming up fast. This is June 2024.
Coming up the north edge. Correction, north B. He's on the red light and proceeding through.
Right through the red light. Look at this. Right in downtown area.
No traffic, no pedestrians.
Holy cow.
Speed 60. We're coming right in front of the police department.
Oh, you're gonna bump him into the police department. Bump him right in. And save a trip. No.
Behind the jail. Awkward out.
Missed him. He'd have been the coolest cop in town. Holy cow. Can't outhandle them cop cars.
Wheeler, we're in a parking lot here.
Good tires, stiff suspension. Where are you gonna go? What are you gonna do? Oh.
Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler. Alright, we're on Wheeler southbound. South
Only place it's getting the cop car is in the initial acceleration. Not in top speed, not in the braking and handling.
That's in South D as in David.
I mean, this guy's no pro, but he's no slouch.
He's got a blue shirt on, no helmet, like khaki shorts, and some blue Jordans.
96 miles per hour right through town. 107, 111 right through town. My God, talk about aggressive. Oof.
Just past South O. Speed's 110. Traffic's light. We're passing the Dollar General South Y.
So dangerous. No helmet, no protective gear. If you're gonna ride, you gotta have some protection.
There's a deputy in front of me.
I had a Crotch when I was 19, and it was an absolute death machine. There's a reason they call them murder cycles.
Alright, got a deputy behind me, passing Houston on Wheeler. Speed's 120. No traffic in our lane.
120 miles per hour right through town. And that bike cannot lose this cop car. He's going 130 miles an hour. Oh my God.
Original stop was for expired tags.
He can't even see over this hill.
Phoenix, red light on Phoenix, and he blew through Phoenix.
Red light.
No traffic. Speed's 100.
Oh my God.
0.
You would think the bike would be losing him by now, but not when the cop car has this much horsepower and this much top speed.
Alright, notify Oklahoma. We're right on 0.
Must be trying to get to Oklahoma from Arkansas.
0 and 5th. We're headed to Oklahoma. I'm going to end up losing where we're at. Past state line.
I wonder how much further they can go after they pass the state line, if at all. You wouldn't think anything. Oh my gosh, that was a close one.
Alright, we turned around. We're headed back to Fort Smith.
Oh no, he should have kept going. Well, I shouldn't say that, but had he kept going, he would have gotten away. I'm kind of on these police chases with the motorcycle. Because I don't know if they should be chasing a motorcycle this fast. So sometimes I kind of find myself, hoping they would get away so the chase would stop sooner. But I don't think people should be able to run from the police. And when it's a car, I feel differently, because the car is such a big, dangerous object, and the motorcycle is still a dangerous object shooting down the road at 120, but a lot less dangerous, a lot smaller. That's why the police car going down the road in the middle of town like this, I believe, is more dangerous than the motorcycle. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I know I'm rambling here. It just these are insane chases. This guy has no regard for his own life. Police officer just right on him, pushing him faster and faster and faster right in town. I don't know what the answer is, but I wish there's a damn net that they could shoot out of their car and net him, grab him. But let me know your ideas in the comments. It's just so insane. I don't want this guy to die for speeding or whatever little thing he's done wrong. Most likely, it's not like he has got a kidnapped victim in the trunk of his motorcycle. You know, I mean, what are they after him for? You know, a traffic violation, and they're risking everybody's life.
Getting boxed in. You go with that? Yes, sir. Go secondary. Go secondary.
Get the plates and get them later.
It's about 80 there in wheeler northbound still. Don't get up there. Let's try to keep
He's pushing hard. He's been staying away for a while. Pushing.
Still northbound, about 120, cutting the train track.
Lord, see, just weaving. And the cop car just about head on somebody there. Going 106 through town.
We coming to downtown Forsyth.
Downtown.
About 112.
Oh my God.
How's your traffic?
Oh my God.
Light traffic. We passed through the volumes right now.
No regard for life. Oh boy. Oh. You get him? Oh, this guy is invincible. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh, it switched body camera, dash camera to the other car. Oh, Jesus. That was close.
North through Garrison. South to North A.
Yeah, I don't think these guys should get a free pass to get away every time either. Like I say, I don't have the answer. Otherwise, every criminal, you know, they go and hurt somebody or do something bad, rob somebody and get on a motorcycle and get away because they know the cops won't chase them, can't catch them, won't chase them. Oh my God, but to drive 110 through the middle of town past cars that are stopped on the frickin' road when people could be carrying their groceries or getting out of the car. I mean, that white Suburban. Oh my God. He is unstoppable.
Who the fuck you think you're running from? Who the fuck you think you're running from? Come on, I got
too much ego involved in that chase, I believe. But like I say, what are they gonna do? Let them all go? And the cops do a good job at keeping crime under control, and you need to be aggressive to do that. You need to be tough. Got a bunch of sissies running around. It's not going to stop crime. I have only good experiences with the police in my childhood when I was, had encounters with them. They ended up being my parents at times.
Oh, look at this. Oh, because of that?
Chase 2. Oh, he just had him speed right by there, right at the beginning. He just sped right past his camera. He's already about a half mile down the road. He must have been going pretty fast. The officer's putting it down to catch him. He's already up to 65. Doesn't look anywhere near him yet, so that guy was probably going about 100 miles an hour. We got the dash cam muted here temporarily. The audio will kick on, but okay, so he's not too far up there. He's pulled over, it looks like. He's thinking about it. No, he's not. Now he's punching it. Uh-oh. Cop's like, I don't want to do it, but 90 mile an hour. At least they're on the highway this time, not in town.
Unlicensed motorcycle. Just trying to run from me. Be a white male driver. We are on East Grand, headed eastbound.
Unlicensed.
Going in front of Magic Springs now.
I know a lot of these guys on Crotch Rockets just think they can get away, and that's not the case anymore with these fast police cars. Not even close. Maybe back in the day where the top speed was 140.
His hands up. I don't know what he's got going on right now.
Holy cow.
He's not stopping for me. We're slowing down here at exit.
He's in a parade. He's waving to the crowd. He's got a lot of fans. He's going to sign language the cop to quit following him.
He's motioning like he's going to stop. We'll see.
He's messed up.
You better stop. You better stop. Alright, he's taking off again. We're on the service road, headed back towards town now.
This guy's on drugs. He's got to be.
Coming back up on Magic Springs.
1037.
Oh yeah, 10.
He is hauling the mail.
City unit.
Swerving all over this bike rider.
White male, no helmet.
Yeah, 10.
We're in Arkansas again.
Speeds are about 90. We're coming up on the gorge. Past the gorge, coming back. We're back on East Grand. Coming in the city limits.
Double the speed limit. 80 mile per hour right through town. I just pray no poor people, innocent people, get involved in this.
What color is the bike?
It's like black and red.
Holy cow.
We just turned on to Crescent Avenue.
They are flying.
1370 or something. He's in a residential area.
Off-road. driving through the church parking lot.
Yeah, temple.
What kind of speed you got?
I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you. We're in the parking lot right now. Back on Crescent.
This guy can barely handle this thing. He's on the highway, thankfully, so it's a little safer for him, but he can barely keep control of it. He's got no helmet, no protection either. Oh boy. Yeah, he is wild.
Pretty quick, and he goes to getting reckless. Let's 1022 it because we don't need to get anybody hurt.
Very responsible sergeant.
10-4. I'm gonna make that call on this.
Doesn't want to get anybody hurt, but this guy doesn't want to give up. And here we go. Oh, he cut him off. Oh, what a gentle fall.
You're being recorded! Put your fucking hands behind your back! Please don't cut him.
Oh, I'm not gonna cut him.
Please.
We're good now.
No, that thing don't. Please.
Okay, I'll let him have some.
This is the first time
You want some water?
like this. That's please.
Take a couple deep breaths.
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, 10-4. I got 2 city units with me. We're 10-4. Hey, will you sit with him? Hey, were you the one yelling at me? What were you saying?
Let up off of him because they want to act like he was killing him.
Oh, yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Let him.
Well, I have a hand.
Go ahead and put your hand back behind your back.
If he wants some water, let's get some water.
It's hot as heck. Or is it just mine?
Here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot I was trying.
Come on. Get you some water. All right, you good?
Chase 3, Novice Ninja.
I see now it's at 37.
Oh man. Pick the weakest link.
Joker 37 on Broadway, probably railroad track, make another unit. Just 37 west.
Oh man, right in the fence. Boom. Oh, he's still going? Oh man, he doesn't give up.
There's one that just ended at 14th and Jackson, one's on foot, 1019.
Must not have gotten too hurt if he took off running that quick. His buddies got away. I wonder if he'll tell on him then. Oh, he made it quite a way down the road. Couple blocks. There he is. They got him. Arkansas police. They're good. They get their man.
Hey, I got the cars. Cars are good.
What's up?
Cars are good.
It's my car. You're right,
Yeah,
Cap.
it's down there. Tommy calling it. No, he didn't wreck. He's good.
Alright, we got a call when you walked off right here.
All right, guys, I hope you like those videos. I absolutely cannot believe the disregard for human life in those videos and just the insanity of flying through town in the residential video where, you know, we're going 80 and 120 through town. So hope you liked it. Hope you have a great day, and just don't drive like that. Thank you again. Have a good one.